Here we have the KCT 6745 ELF AD, and we also have the AD version, which is black. The ELF is the ivory version. This is a wonderful hob from the Art Deco product range with a matching extractor, microwaves, built-in ovens, and even wine coolers. Now, this hob is fantastic because it is induction, which means you have the free zone technology, so you can put your pot virtually anywhere in one of the zones and it will automatically be able to heat it up properly. You also have automatic simmer controls, so you heat up a boiling pot of water and it will detect when it's simmering and bring the temperature right back down to it will just stay there. So with that, you also have the Powerslide functionality where you turn it on, you select the portion of the hob you want, and then you use the power slider as a circle to say where exactly you want it to go. And then you can set a timer for that specific part of the hob, and you can also set a child lock. So you also have this additional cast iron pan that will go, this is specifically made for induction, where it sits on the heating part of the induction hob, and it's very, very useful for searing meats, cooking different vegetables, getting that nice kind of teppanyaki style grill going for your friends and for your family. This is an optional extra. Let us know if you would like one. And with that, thank you very much. I look forward to you being our esteemed customer.